Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're tackling the essential piece of outdoor gear that often gets overlooked, the camping table. We've rounded up the top 5 best camping tables available right now, perfect for everything from a quick picnic table setup to a fully equipped camp kitchen. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned explorer, having a reliable portable table is a game changer. We've rigorously tested these contenders, looking at how they fare as a portable camping table, their durability in various conditions, and of course, how easily they fold down for transport. So, grab your favorite camping mug, and let's dive into our top picks for the best portable camping table. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Let's jump straight into our top 5, counting down from 5 to our overall winner. Starting at number 5 is the Grop Small Folding Camping Table, an excellent choice for those prioritizing minimal weight and maximum portability. This small portable camping table features a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame and tabletop, making it incredibly easy to carry at just 1.85 pounds for the small size. Its unique hinge design allows for rapid setup and breakdown, and the waterproof and heat-resistant aluminum surface ensures easy cleaning and durability, even allowing it to function as a portable camping table for grill for light use. While its compact size makes it ideal as a camping side table or a beach table for solo trips or quick outings, some users might find it too small for extensive use. And there have been occasional comments about long-term sturdiness under significant weight, despite its advertised 55-pound capacity, making it a budget-friendly option for those needing a basic and lightweight table that comes with a convenient folding table with carry bag. At number 4, we have the Titanker Folding Camping Table Small 2 feet, a clever design that maximizes surface area without compromising portability. This table's standout feature is its extendable wings, offering 50% more space for drinks, snacks, or even a folding table for board games during your outdoor gatherings. Constructed from a blend of aluminum and density board, it weighs around 6 pounds but can support up to 70 pounds, with each wing capable of holding 20 pounds, making it a surprisingly robust option for a portable picnic table. The 5-step setup is straightforward, resulting in a stable surface that's perfect for car camping essentials or as a portable travel table, and it conveniently folds into a compact form for easy storage. The waterproof top adds to its practicality, though its height of 20.9 inches might be a bit low for some, preventing it from being a true tall portable camping table, but its unique design and added space make it a versatile choice for those needing a bit more room than a standard small folding table. Our number 3 pick is the Portable Camping Table Folding Picnic Table, which takes a different approach with its round design and practical features. This folding picnic table stands out with its 4 integrated cup holders and a useful double shelf design, providing ample space for drinks and keeping essentials like sunscreen and phones within easy reach, making it an excellent beach table. Made with a durable waterproof canvas tabletop and a strong aluminum frame, it weighs around 5 pounds and can hold up to 55 pounds. The round shape fosters a more communal atmosphere, ideal for small groups enjoying snacks or drinks, and it folds down easily into a carrying bag for convenient transport, aligning with the need for a camping table with carry bag. While the canvas top and round shape might not suit all tasks, its unique features and ease of assembly make it a popular choice for families and those looking for a comfortable and functional small outdoor table for activities like DIY picnic table setups or casual camping gear use. Securing the number 2 spot is the GCI Outdoor Folding Table, a testament to sturdy construction and effortless usability. This table features a one-piece design with innovative squeeze telescoping technology, allowing for incredibly quick and easy setup and takedown, making it a top contender for the best folding table. Its robust, heat-resistant aluminum tabletop can safely accommodate a small camp stove, making it an ideal best camping table for cooking, and it boasts a weight capacity of 60 pounds. The integrated carry handle enhances its portability, perfect for fishing trips, tailgating as a travel table for car, or as a reliable camp table during longer stays. Its open dimensions provide ample space for dining for 2 or serving as a convenient outdoor side table, and its compact folded size is a significant advantage. Though it's slightly heavier than ultra-lightweight options, its durability and ease of use make it a highly recommended choice for anyone needing a dependable camp kitchen setup. Finally, our top pick for the best portable camping table overall is the VILLEY Portable Camping Side Table. This table strikes an impressive balance between being incredibly lightweight, just 2.05 pounds, and exceptionally stable, thanks to its upgraded hinged connection system using metal screws instead of typical bungee cords or plastic nails, making it a very reliable folding camping side table. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum, it can support up to 66 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of uses, and the painted aluminum tabletop is not only waterproof and heatproof but also easy to clean and fade-resistant, contributing to its long-term appeal as part of your camping gear review. Setting it up is a breeze, and its height is optimized for use with most camping chairs, making it perfect for overnight adventure trips, as a backpacking table, or even as a refined metal outdoor table option for home use. It also comes with a folding table with carry bag, solidifying its position as the best camping side table and a top choice for those needing a truly portable table that doesn't compromise on stability or durability for any hiking gear enthusiast. So there you have it, our comprehensive look at the top 5 best portable camping tables on the market today. We hope this detailed review, covering everything from the ultra-lightweight options to the most stable and versatile, helps you make the perfect choice for your next outdoor escapade. Remember to explore the links in the description below for more details and the latest prices on each of these fantastic picnic table and camp table options. We'd love to hear which one catches your eye, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this camping gear review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the best outdoor equipment. Thanks for tuning in, and happy camping!